Hello, we the students of Himari Model School are today celebrating the Constitution Day of India. At 26 November 1949, the drafting of Indian Constitution were completed and the Constituent Assembly of India adopted our Constitution. Today, every year, every Indian celebrates the Constitution Day. We have prepared a video on Constitution Day. We hope you like it. Here you can see the preamble of Indian Constitution.
What is preamble? The preamble to the Constitution of India is a brief introductory statement that sets out guidelines which guide the peoples of nation, presents the principle of the Constitution, indicates the source from which the document derives its authority and meanings. The preamble is also known as the spirit and backbone of the Indian Constitution, as it gives a brief idea about why Constitution has been prepared.
History of the Preamble. The main preamble was drafted by Sri B.N. Rao and later proposed into the Constituent Assembly. The basic structure of the preamble only includes sovereign, democratic and republic. But later the words secular and socialist were included by 42nd Amendment. The preamble was restricted only to defining the essential features of the constitution and country. Due to this, the question was raised on the preamble as to whether the preamble is a part of the constitution or not.
Objectives of preamble. The objectives which are laid down in the preamble are: first, description of Indian state as sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. Socialist, secular added by 42nd Amendment 1976. Second, provision to all the citizens of India, that is A. Justice, social, economic and political. B. Liberty of thoughts, expressions, faith and beliefs. C. Equality of status and opportunity and worship. D. Fragmented, assuring dignity of all the individuals and unity and integrity of the nation.
Purpose of having preamble. The preamble to our constitution serves two purposes. It indicates the source from which the constitution derives its authority. It also states the objects which the constitution seeks to establish and promote.
Significance of the preamble. First, the preamble of Indian Constitution reflects the basic structure and the spirit of the Constitution. Second, the preamble acts as the preface of the Constitution of India and lays down the fundamental value and philosophical ideas. It represents the entire Constitution in its written words. Third, it contains the basic features of the Constitution and thus considered to be a virtual part. Fourth, the preamble doesn't contain laws unenforceable in a court, but no law can be enacted or amended in a manner that alerts the spirit of the preamble. Thus, the preamble of the Constitution of India is amenable and unalertable.
Scope of the preamble. The preamble plays a very important role in shaping the destiny of a country. The preamble gave a brief idea to the makers of constitution so that Constituent Assembly could make plans and formulate the constitution. The preamble does not give any special power to anyone, but it gives the structure on which the Indian constitution stands. Here you can see some debate speeches of Constituent Assembly from 1946 to 1949.
Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes.
हिंदवासियों ने त्याग और तप से स्वतंत्रता हासिल कर ली है.
In the course of the debate that took place, there were two questions which were raised.
I, Vallabhbhai Patel, do solemnly affirm that in the office of minister,
I believe in the checkered history of our country. We have passed many resolutions.
Sir, in the absence of Srimati Sarojini Naidu.
Some interesting facts about the preamble. First, the idea of preamble in Indian Constitution has been taken from the Constitution of the United States of America. Second, it is also called I-card or identity card of Indian Constitution, said by Palkiwala, an amendment jurist. Third, the preamble came to be known as the adaptation of the objectives revolutions that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has proposed.
These lines were said by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Indians today are governed by two different ideologies. Their political ideal set in the preamble of the Constitution affirms a life of liberty, equality and fraternity. Their social identity embodied in their religion denies them.